Hey everyone, welcome back to another Magic Minute. Today I'm going to walk you through the integration between MagicSchool and Instructures Canvas. Here we are in the teacher dashboard in Canvas. So I'm going to go ahead and first go into my MagicSchool course that I made just for this demonstration. I'm going to first show you the left side where you can see that MagicSchool is now an option. So when I click here, I can actually access my MagicSchool account. So if I wanted to create a rubric, for example, for maybe a writing assignment I'm going to put together, I can do that right here in Canvas. Next, I'm going to go over to my assignments. And I'm going to go to this assignment that I've already started, which is a writing a persuasive essay activity where students are going to have to write about cell phones in schools. So I've already written the instructions for this assignment, but I want to integrate MagicSchool's MagicStudent. In particular, for this assignment, I want students to have to use the writing feedback tool with a rough draft, but then submit their final copy to a separate writing feedback tool for grading purposes. So to do that, I'm going to go over to edit this assignment. I'm going to scroll down here to submission type. I'm going to click the drop down and I'm going to select external tool. Then I'm going to select find. And here you'll see MagicSchool listed. I'm going to click MagicSchool. And what this is doing is retrieving all the different student rooms I've already created in my account. Now, if I didn't create a student room already, I could create a new one right here, all within Canvas. But since I already created this one in my MagicSchool account, I'm going to go ahead and select my writing a persuasive essay student room that has 4 different tools in it. I'm going to select it. I'm going to add this room to the assignment. Then you'll see here that this link is now populated. I'm going to hit select. I'm going to click save. And now you can see the student room is populating here and is now part of the assignment. So this is the teacher view where I can see the different student submissions. I can see insights into how they're engaging with the tools. And I can also change settings if I want to take a tool away, if I want to add something new. I could do that while the students are working on the assignment. So now I'm going to show you what this looks like on the student side when they log into this assignment. So now I'm in the student account. So I'm going to go to my MagicSchool course and I see I have that assignment, writing a persuasive essay about cell phones. I'm going to click there. There are the instructions. Here, my student room is opening for me. And there you go. There are the 4 tools that the teacher assigned. I put in the instructions that they're going to submit their final draft under here, this writing feedback final copy. So I'm going to do that really quickly. So I'm going to paste in my paper and then you'll see the student will get feedback from the AI. So there you can see it gave a score based on the rubric that I provided. Okay, so I'm back in the teacher side. I'm going to go back to that course. I'm going to go back to that assignment. And now you can see on the student dashboard, there is Andrew because I just submitted that assignment. Now I'm going to click on Speed Grader. You can see it pulled up the output history for Andrew. You can see how engaged I was with the tool. You can see a quick little summary of what I was able to accomplish. And then when I click on it, I can actually see what was submitted by the student here in purple. And then I can see what the score was by the AI. I hope you found this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the subscribe button for more tips and tricks on how to use MagicSchool.